In this video, I'm going to be swiping on Tinder in one of the sexiest cities in the world, Copenhagen, Denmark. If you guys are new to Wingman Plus, we drop daily Tinder tips on this channel. So if you're trying to level up your game and you haven't yet, make sure you subscribe to the channel. I've been doing a Tinder Passport world tour for a few months now, and people keep saying, bro, when are you going to go to Denmark? So today is finally the day, guys. Let's get into it here. All right, and right off the bat, we've got an absolute baddie. Marie looking fine as hell. We'll give her a right swipe. Okay. Whoa. Maria, really putting yourself out there. I like that. Okay, boys, we got a match right off the bat. Now, a bit of a cougar. But based on the profile here, it seems like, you know, she looks like a good time. You know, I'll leave it at that. Gonna drop a solid pickup line here. Do you know why I swiped right? It's a little pro tip for you guys. This is a very high success pickup line. You get a response like 80% of the time on that because it just creates a ton of curiosity. Also super playful, so it creates a good conversation that doesn't lead to the friend zone. Okay, Ida. Whoa, what is going on in this photo? I'm honestly just highly confused and slightly disturbed, so we're gonna swipe left on that one. Okay, now we're talking. You know, Laura is looking pretty cute here. We're gonna give her a right swipe. She's verified too, so we know we're not getting catfished by that one. Okay. Oh, boys, we got a super like. Lita. Pretty lit name. Now, she's a lot of kilometers away. I get the feeling that she's also swiping in Denmark. Great minds think alike. We're going to have to give her a super like here. And we'll drop a classic line. Wanna 1v1 me at spin the bottle. Absolutely love that pickup line. If you guys haven't yet, make sure you sign up for my email list. I'll send you 25 Tinder pickup lines that actually will work. If that's something that you want instant access to, hit the link in the description of this video. I'll get you hooked up, boys. Okay, wow. This girl could honestly be the thumbnail of the video. You know what I mean? Like, what are we doing? Okay, Nana. Is that a espresso martini? I rock with that. You know what? Nana looks like a, you know, oh, I was going to say, like, she looks kind of chill. And then this kind of happened, and now I'm a little bit concerned for my life. But she liked me. I'm going to like her back for some good karma here. Probably won't shoot a message, but we do it for the algorithm sometimes, boys. Okay, Zeta. Is that Spanish? That's definitely not Denmarkian. Oh, yeah. Okay, we got Mexico City going on. Right on, right on. Okay, Victoria. Looks like Victoria did a little Tinder photo shoot here. She's got the same outfit in both pics. Little pro tip for the guys out there. Girls will notice if you have the same outfit in your photos. And you don't want to give off that vibe that you did like a whole staged photo shoot for Tinder, even though a lot of the time that is actually what we do. So bring a couple outfits. Try not to wear the same outfit on your Tinder profile. It's a quick Tinder tip for you boys. Whoa, Veronica's got some serious flow. Veronica looks like she comes from a long line of Vikings. You know what I mean? I'm trying to have some Viking babies myself. Okay, we got a match. We'll give her the classic international pickup line. Do you have a Canadian boyfriend yet? Boom. We're shooting our shot here, boys. Now, I've swiped in a lot of countries throughout the world, and I'm not going to lie. I'm having a lot of fun here in Denmark. Definitely, I'd say probably top 10 range so far. It's looking pretty good. Am I absolutely like blown away at every single swipe here? No, definitely not. You know, there are some places where I've just not been able to swipe left, and this is not one of those. You know, point proven right there. But we're having a good time. Okay. Yeah, this girl literally looks like the girl with the dragon tattoo. She's got like the exact same like haircut going on. Is this the actress from the girl with the dragon tattoo? Oh, she's even got like the tattoo on the leg. Whoa. If you guys are from Denmark and you're watching this video, drop a comment down below. Tell me your favorite word in Danish and what it means. Not gonna lie, I'm a big fan of Danish pastries, Danish women. I don't really know what else Denmark is known for. Oh, I guess in the Winter Olympics, they always kind of get some medals. But other than that, Kind of a random country, to be honest, but shout out either way. Okay, Vera. Whoa. What are we doing? Honestly, I'm a little lost for words here, but she's going to get a right swipe from me. Sophie. Okay, like, boys. Things are starting to heat up a little bit here in Denmark. I'm not going to lie. But you know what? Why don't we crank the heat here and go on over to the top picks? Let's see like what the creme de la creme is looking like out in Denmark. Okay, yeah. See, now we're talking. Like this is pretty top tier. I'm not gonna lie. I very often have a hard time swiping left on the top picks. Like you pretty much just gotta swipe right on all of them. Kind of kills your algorithm a bit on Tinder. Like you don't want to be swiping right too much. Because then the algorithm's just going to think you're a bot and kind of show your profile to less women. But top picks are kind of where I make the exception. I'm not going to lie, guys. By the way, guys, at this point, I've probably reviewed about 1,000 Tinder profiles from men. And I've got a really, really strong idea of what's working and what's not. You know, the red flags that make women swipe left and the best practices that make them compelled to swipe right. They say 80% of men aren't getting matches on Tinder, but that's not because they're ugly. After reviewing about 1,000 Tinder profiles, I can confidently say that about 80% of men have no idea what they're doing when it comes to building a profile. You know, a lot of the time, we just go into our camera roll and take whatever photos we have available to us. But if you guys want the secret sauce, like the definitive template to building a world-class optimized Tinder profile, remove rejection from the equation, I just dropped the ultimate Tinder profile guide called the Matchbook. And not only does the Matchbook give you like a full tutorial, but I've also thrown in over 50 sample bios, over 20 sample prompts, and over 50 sample photos for you to take and replicate and run with. This book is literally cheaper than a first date, guys. It's a no-brainer. Hit the link down in the description, get the Matchbook today, and start matching more attractive women on dating apps like Tinder, Bumble, and Hinge. Oh, I love this girl's little like frame thing. That's really cool. But you go to like a Tinder festival or something like that? Where was my invite? All right, let's quickly skim through the likes here and just see if there's any kind of top tier candidates. We got Leslie. Boys. Easiest right swipe I've ever seen right there. She's a lawyer too. What are we doing? Okay, what's going on here? Oh, okay. Couple dance moves. This girl just looks like she does LSD all day long, to be honest. She's got like stats too. She seems like honestly a bit of a wild time, but we'll give her a go. Oh my God, what is this bio? If you guys are in Denmark and you can read this language, let me know what this says, because this just looks like a giant red flag in itself. But honestly, for 42, she looks very, very good. Whatever her skincare routine is, like I need that in my life for sure. So there you go, guys. Tinder swiping in Denmark. If you guys like these types of videos, make sure you pound that like button and hit subscribe. Also, let me know where you want to see me swipe in the next installment of the Tinder Passport World Tour by leaving a comment down below. I appreciate you guys as always, and until next time, peace.